Theta value equivalent to $199.86 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.19656 $2.86. The earlier day close $2.2366. The change was 0.187%. Converse rate US to Theta. Dollar to Theta gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 1010 coins. Exorbitant cost 1010, while lows rate 13. They found the middle value of cost 926. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends weight 70, change for August 13.9%. US to Theta expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 870 coins. Excessive costs saw at 70, while lows at 704. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 799. The US to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 752, change for September 13.6%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 752 coins. Excessive cost 781, while lows at 676. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 734. The US to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 725, change for October 3.6%. US to Theta expectation for November 2024. First and foremost, cost at 725 coins. Exorbitant cost 725, while lows of 5.85. They found the middle value of costs at 665. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end 625, change for November 13.8%. Dollar to Theta estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 625 coins. Exorbitant cost 625, while lows of 5.3. They found the middle value of costs in 5.73. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends of 5.38, change for December 13.9%. US to Theta expectation for January 2025. Before all else, cost at 538 coins. Excessive costs are 5.38, while lows on 4.48. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 501. The US to Theta conjecture toward the month's ends of 4.81, change for January 10.6%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 4.81 coins. Exorbitant costs in 4.93, while lows in 4.29. They found the middle value of costs on 4.66. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends a 4.59, change for February 4.6%. US to Theta expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place, cost at 459 coins. Exorbitant cost on 4.74, while lows on 4.12. They found the middle value of cost for 4.47. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends of 4.41, change for spring 3.9%. Dollar to Theta figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 4.41 coins. Excessive costs on 4.41, while lows are 3.83. They arrived at the midpoint of cost of 4.19. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends on 4.10, change for April 7.0%. US to Theta expectation for May 2025. In the first place, cost at 4.10 coins. Exorbitant cost of 4.27, while lows in 3.70. They found the middle value of costs in 4.01. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends for 8.97, change for May 3.2%. Dollar to Theta gauge for June 2025. In the first place, cost at 3.97 coins. Exorbitant costs on 4.10, while lows on 3.57. They found the middle value of costs for 3.87. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends of 3.82, change for June 3.8%. US to Theta expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 3.82 coins. Excessive costs on 4.7, while lows on 3.52. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 3.80. The US to Theta figure toward the month's end 0.77, change for July 1.3%. Dollar to Theta figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 0.77 coins. Excessive costs at 3.98, while lows in 3.46. They found the middle value of costs 0.73. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end 0.70, change for August 1.9%. US to Theta expectation for September 2025. To start with, cost at 3.70 coins. Exorbitant costs 3.70, while lows 3.16. They found the middle value of costs 3.49. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end 3D39, change for September 84%. Dollar to Theta estimate for October 2025. In the first place, cost at C3 at 39 coins. Exorbitant costs at 39, while lows on 273. They found the middle value of costs at 311. The US to Theta gauge toward the month's ends on 292, change for October 39%. US to Theta expectation for November 2025. In the first place, cost at zone 292 coins. Exorbitant costs C375, while lows at 292. They found the middle value of costs at 27. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's end Z048, change for November 19.2%. Dollar to Theta estimate for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at zone 348 coins. Exorbitant costs 446, while lows at 348. They found the middle value of costs at 389. The US to Theta estimate toward the month's ends of 4 at 15, change for December 19%. US to Theta expectation for January 2026. Before all else, cost at 4 at 15 coins. Excessive costs on 4 at 15, while lows are 358. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 393. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends 83, change for January 7%. Dollar to Theta figure for February 2026. Before all else, cost at 10.83 coins. Excessive costs in 444, while lows in 383. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 4 at 6. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends A413, change for February 7.8%. US to Theta expectation for WARC 2026. Before all else, cost at 413 coins. Excessive cost E5 and 15, while lows on 413. They arrived at the midpoint of cost to 4 to 55. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends of 478, change for spring 15.7%. Dollar to Theta figure for April 2026. Before all else, cost at 478 coins. Excessive costs of 478, while lows in 400. They arrived at the midpoint of cost of 446. The US to Theta conjecture toward the month's ends of 427, change for April 10.7%. US to Theta expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at 427 coins. Excessive cost 25 and 15, while lows on 427. They arrived at the midpoint of costs of 4 at 62. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends A478, change for May 11.9%. Dollar to Theta figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 478 coins. Excessive cost 3610, while lows of 478. They arrived at the midpoint of cost for 5 at 34. The US to Theta figure toward the month's ends of 5 at 68, change for June 18.8.